The Xfinity modem blinks orange when it is installing an update, with the light flashing to indicate an ongoing download that disappears once the update is installed. This issue can be caused by an ongoing update or a software glitch. To fix the problem, it is best to simply wait it out, as the update process typically takes 15 minutes to an hour. However, if the blinking continues for too long, the modem can be power cycled by unplugging it, waiting for at least 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in and turning it on. After the modem boots up, check to see if the blinking has stopped. If it continues, a factory reset may be necessary, which involves disconnecting all connected devices, locating and pressing the reset button, and waiting for the modem to reboot before checking the status light. If the issue persists after trying these solutions, further action may be needed to resolve the problem.